When users are able to log in to the front end of a Joomla site, there is an account management screen you can give them access to. In this movie, we will create a link to the screen and go over the settings front-end users can adjust. Let's go to the main menu in the back end. We're going to add a link to this menu so that front-end users can adjust their settings. Let's click New. From this list, select User. From this list, there are several views you can choose. The one we want to use is User Form Layout. We're going to title this link, Change Your Details. If we publish this link as is, this link would appear in the front end of the website. Everyone would be able to see it. This might confuse users who are not logged into the system. Let's hide this from visitors who don't have a login. Scroll down. We're going to set the access level for this link to registered. Only people who are registered on the website will be able to see this link. Scroll back up to the top and hit Save. Let's go back to the front end of the website now. Click Refresh. You'll notice that the link we just added does not appear in the menu. This is because we're not logged in. Let's log in as Jim Callahan. We added Jim as a user in the system in the previous video. Now that we've logged in, you'll notice there's a Change Your Details link. This is the link we just added in the back end. Click it. There are several details on this form that we can change. We can change the name, the email, and we can also change our password. We can also change the user interface language that Joomla uses when displaying elements. Currently, English is the only selection. We'll learn more about adding more languages in another chapter. We can also change our time zone. However, we cannot change the username. Let's change Jim to James and then click Save. It now shows that Jim's details have been saved. His name is now changed to James Callahan. When you create a link to the user form layout, your users can set their own preferences without your intervention. This link can be hidden from visitors who are not logged in to avoid confusion. When logged-in users click on the link, they will be able to set preferences for the functions they have access to. When you create a link to the user form layout, users can set their own preferences without your intervention. This link can be hidden from visitors who are not logged in to avoid confusion. When logged-in users click on the link, they will be able to set preferences for the functions they have access to.